guys, I'm going to show you what a car wash looks like. Well, it's easy. Looking outside. The car wash, you can see Johnny Car Wash. I can't see, but so this is the Johnny Car Wash. And what I'm gonna do is go in it. Now watch this, everybody. This one's like the best car wash. Well, not really, but I like the ones with the swishes.
Please select an option from the list on screen.
She looks great, babe, Mom. You're saying something?
Please select a car wash by pressing one of the buttons.
And then
Please insert cash or card.
she's smiling.
To complete your purchase, please insert bills into the acceptor.
She's always smiling.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. If you would like a receipt,
Entering the car wash. Okay, let's do it. Okay. It's a good car wash. Oh, sorry, my car. Ew. Sucks fun. That. It's like the snow. Ew, my windows. Gonna dry it off. Those things are like automatic. Okay. This is weird. Watch this. It's putting like all that washing stuff on the car. Oh man, it's washing the car off. My car was hot today. It's like 100 degrees. Ugh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's water. Ew. Pink. Mom, what's that pink and blue stuff?
It's pretty stuff. So
man. Oh man. Oh man. This is like a roller coaster. It's not wet. This car wash is very weird. This looks nice. It's not loud. It's not very loud, right? Not very loud. Let's do it again. It's like there's a ghost in here. Oh, this is the hard part. Block your ears. blocking my ears. I'm blocking my ears. I think I need hearing aids. That's good. Okay. Car wash. What's the other part? What is the other part? Oh, it washes off your car. I'm sorry. It's my hand, Tiny hands. Okay. So we're out of the car wash. That's it for today. Okay, bye.